Welcome to the whimsical realm of friendships, an elusive quest akin to suppressing a sneeze. Imagine the search for a steadfast ally. I yearn for a companion, present not only in moments of joy, but also in adversity. Yet with the slightest hint of hardship, potential comrades vanish, mirroring a nose that falls with every sneeze. But behold, an exception appears. I pledge to stand by you through laughter and tears, sneezes and sniffles, facing all together. This is the hallmark of a true friend, a companion through every sneeze, every challenge. Remember, a true friend remains, whether you're caught in a sneezing frenzy or basking under the warm sun.